How to fix add friend not showing on Facebook. If you've been trying to add someone on Facebook, but the add friend button is completely missing. No button, no option, nothing, you're not alone. And there are actually several reasons this happens. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix it. Welcome back. Today we're breaking down every reason why the add friend button disappears on Facebook and every solution to bring it back in 2026. Let's get right into it. Step 1. First, understand why this happens. The Add Friend button can go missing because the person has restricted who can send them friend requests in their privacy settings. Their account is set to follow only. You are already friends or have a pending request, or they have blocked you. Knowing the reason helps you find the right fix. Step 2. Check if you already sent a friend request. Go to their profile and look for a friend request sent button. If it's there, the request is simply still pending and waiting for them to accept. Step 3. Check your own Facebook privacy settings, because sometimes your account settings can also affect how friend requests work. Go to your profile, tap the 3 lines menu, go to Settings and Privacy, then Privacy Settings, and make sure who can send you friend requests is set to everyone. Step 4. If you only see a follow button on their profile instead of add friend, it means that person has switched their account to follow mode only. Intentionally disabling friend requests from the public. In this case, following them is the only available option. Step 5. Clear your Facebook app cache. On Android, go to Settings, tap Apps, find Facebook, tap Storage, and hit Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the Facebook app to clear cache data. Then reopen Facebook and check their profile again. Step 6. Make sure your Facebook app is fully updated. Open your App Store or Google Play Store, search for Facebook, and tap Update if one is available. Bugs in older versions often cause buttons to disappear or not load correctly. Step 7. Try accessing Facebook through a web browser instead of the app. Go to facebook.com, search for the person's profile, and check if the Add Friend button appears there. If it shows on browser but not the app, the issue is app-specific and reinstalling should fix it. Pro tip: if you've tried everything and the Add Friend button still isn't showing, send them a message instead if messaging is available on their profile. Introduce yourself and let them know you'd like to connect. They may have restricted friend requests intentionally, but can still send you a friend request from their end, which completely bypasses the restriction. And that's your complete fix for the Add Friend button not showing on Facebook. You now know every possible cause and every solution available. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, hit subscribe for more Facebook tips and fixes, and comment below, did the Add Friend button come back for you? Let me know which step worked. See you in the next one.